I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to so in an hour, it cleaned the kitchen and the living room. And so you can see here, there's a handle that pulls up and to remove the dustbin. So this is a AeroVac bin, and I'll open the lid and show you. This is what came out of what I thought was a clean floor. It is not. And I was impressed, but my mom was also impressed by this mess that came out of the carpet. This is the filter right here. I don't really know. Oh, the dirt doesn't really stick to it. But yeah, that is a lot. So here's one of the brushes. It's got two brushes in it. This one's real soft, and then there's a more hard rubber brush. And all this does is just snap right back in. It's the easiest thing. And for $204, this, I would have to say, is worth it. Even though it takes an hour to do two large, decent-sized rooms, it is definitely worth it. So I'm going to show you this small section of carpet that was done. And you can see the freaking lines in the carpet from where the robot cleaned. On the back of the box, it's let's see. Talks about like the navigation and whatnot. And I would actually really recommend this, because this result is insane. Like, what? Like, you think that your floor is clean, but then you have a Roomba go over it, and you get this giant clump of dust, which there's like some special design with the AeroVac bin, but it's not very big. You can clearly see that. The filter takes up a lot of the space in the dust cup. And this dirt cup's actually so small that you'd have to have 1,000 of these to fill a 1-gallon bucket. So that is kind of ridiculous, but it's not awful. The fun thing with this is watching it go back to the charger. So when it starts having a low battery, I'll actually show on the box here that this button here, it says dock, will actually start blinking, and then a battery light comes up above this button area, and then it will literally back in or pull into this charger. And you got to have it up against the wall, because it will go kind of fast into it, and then it will start to wiggle the front of it, because there's like two charging contacts, and then it's got to line up with the charger and stuff. Another thing with Roombas is parts. parts are not the most cheap thing with the Roomba. So the battery, you can see that the Roomba is not very big. It's only about 14 inches around, which isn't bad. But a battery for a 14-inch round device it's an $80 battery. And the little charger, which is back here, right here, is, depending on which one it is, I'm not really sure which one this is, but they're $40 to $60 for the charger. The little side brushes that stick it's just one side brush that sticks out the side. So it's like right here. See this? That little white thing sticking out? That's the edge brush. You get a pack of 3 for $15. So that's basically $5 a piece. The wheels, the little front wheel, it's only like a wheel that's like this. It's not real wide. It's probably an inch. Is $6, and then the wheels that have the suspensions are $30. So long-term costs are a little expensive, but the nice thing is that you can be eating dinner or watching TV, and then the floor is clean. So